Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your very last screencast video. So, as we move into really the last full week of the course, just want to run through the schedule here. Many of you have already submitted the final draft of the research essay. Please double check your peer review comments and my feedback and the criteria in the instructions section in the module before you submit that final draft. Also, I have moved around the last discussion board. Discussion board 15, online practices and participation, is due on Sunday the 8th. The course does end on Thursday the 12th at 11:59. All assignments will shut down at that time, and I do not take any emailed assignments. Everything must be submitted to Canvas. So make sure when you get to the modules, here we go, research essay assignment instructions here. Be sure that you are aware of the word count and source count requirements for this particular assignment before you uploading your final draft. Be aware that, like I said in my comments for the first draft, this is fully assessed based upon the criteria and the rubric and the meeting the minimum word requirements. So you want to make sure that you meet those. Just simply uploading your first draft with no significant revision, especially if I've commented on it or your peer reviewers have commented on it, is probably not going to work in your favor. So be aware of that. All right. Let me see what else we have here. Let me get to the discussions. And I alluded to this in the syllabus. Discussion board 15 is your social practices and participation. Discussion board post, you may want to revisit that portion in the syllabus. I have the components here. I'm looking for about 350 to 400 words for you to basically argue for what you think you deserve in this particular category only. Your grade in this course is determined by your efforts all semester and your weighted average there, so be aware of that. Like I said, this is due on the 8th. As always, I would double check. Let me get back to the announcement here. Righty. So as always, I would double check email and Canvas for any comments or just in case there's issues with an upload, all the way straight through into the finals week, which would be week number 16. So if you have any questions or issues, good luck to you all. Just send me an email.